Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. This is the Unacademy NEET PG platform, and today, very importantly, we're going to talk about the mnemonics of the day. For all the newcomers in the Unacademy, you all know that we have something known as Plus subscription and something known as Icon subscription. In the Plus subscription, most importantly, you get all the access to the live and recorded classes. You get to study from the best of the best educators all over the India, and also you get to participate in various tests and quizzes. Whereas in the Iconic subscription, you get the Unacademy platform and also the Prep Ladder subscription also. And also for the newcomers, you all know that this is one of the very important reason we are present today. We have a live session on January 9th, that is 9 p.m. There will be test. I have the neonatology series growth and development, which I have covered. I have made a very sweet and small test for all of you, and most importantly, the rank 1 people student will get the Amazon vouchers of rupees 5,000. Rank 2 will get Amazon vouchers of 3,000, and rank 3 will get a Amazon vouchers of rupees 2,000. Like, this is something which we have already done it before. We have done the MCQs, we have done a lot of revisions multiple times. So this small test will be amazing, will be very helpful for you. And I request every one of you, we have huge followers going across India, and I want everyone to participate on the January 9th test at 9 p.m. It will be really helpful for you on our Unacademy NEET PG channel. Coming to the important parts of our today's mnemonic of the day. Today's mnemonic of the day, I would say, or today's image of the day, I would say, is this one. What is this image? Identify the syndrome. Very important. I have given you 3 images. You need to tell me which syndrome does it fit into. Picture number 1. Can we appreciate a high arch palate? Yes or no? Can we appreciate a high arch palate? Number 1. Number 2. Can we appreciate this baby is having large ears? Yes or no? Large ears, we can appreciate this. And also at the same time, if this picture, I would say this baby is having intellectual disability. The baby is having intellectual disability. So which syndrome does it fit into? High arch palate with large ears with intellectual disability. So please remember, this is one of the very important syndromes. The syndrome is nothing but Fragile X syndrome. Fragile X syndrome is one of the very important syndrome. The patient will be a male baby. Another important spotter is male child. So very importantly, remember, a male child with nothing but large ears, with high arch palate, with mental retardation, which is now known as intellectual disability. This patient is nothing but having Fragile X syndrome. Very important exam question. The important other highlighters of this syndrome are: number 1, the child, male child, he will have mental retardation, which is now known as intellectual disability. Everything will be LLL, like long face, large testes, large ears, high arch palate, very important, but not a large nose. Star mark, remember, it has been an exam question that you don't see a large nose in a case of Fragile X syndrome. You see large ears, large testes, large face, prominent forehead and jaw. So these are the important points you must understand regarding the Fragile X syndrome. And please remember, one of the important causes of mental retardation. The Fragile X syndrome is connected with mental retardation or intellectual disability. The most important cause, I would say, non-preventable cause. Anyone, which is the most important non-preventable cause of mental retardation? The most commonest non-preventable cause of mental retardation is Down syndrome, and second most commonest is Fragile X syndrome. Fragile X syndrome, very important. So now this Fragile X syndrome, we have covered some really 5 to 10 important points which are important. So most commonest non-preventable cause of mental retardation is Down syndrome. Second most commonest cause is Fragile X syndrome. Remember that, okay? And also the preventable cause of mental retardation, where I can prevent the child from being permanently mentally retarded, is nothing but congenital hypothyroidism. Congenital hypothyroidism. These are the important points. This was the image of the day. I hope you liked it, shared it. Do like, share, and subscribe. And also, please participate in the test which I have conducted. It will be really helpful for you, because we have done it multiple times. This test will be really helpful. Do participate. January 9th, 9 p.m. on the Unacademy app. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.